doctor said change your diet. Now what? You just left the doctor's office. Your head is spinning. They may be using words like high cholesterol, blood pressure, pre-diabetic, or something even scarier. They told you that you need to make a major change in your diet, and then they sent you home. Maybe they sent you home with a pamphlet, a few instructions, and a whole lot of fear. Now, I'm not sitting here thinking, now you're sitting there thinking, where do I even start? What do I have to give up? Am I too late? And I just want you to know something right now. You are not alone. I know the feeling. I've lived that feeling. Before we talk about cleaning out your pantry, I want you to take a deep breath. Just breathe. This video is your first step. Right now, it may feel like something is happening to you, but I want to help you reframe that. The diagnosis is not a life sentence. It is a wake-up call. It is your body saying, hey, 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 pay attention. Take care of me. Let's do something different. This is the moment when you stop being a passenger in your health, and then you become the CEO of your own health. And the first thing a CEO does is get a clear, simple plan. So today, we're not going to do everything. We're not going to clean out your pantry. We're not going to make a long grocery list. We are not even going to talk about specific recipes. That'll come later. Today, I just want to give you your first 3 steps. And these 3 steps are more important than you may realize. Here are 3 steps that can help you. Number 1, write down your why. Take out a piece of paper right now. Pause the video if you have to. Go ahead. I'll wait for a moment. You can also open the Notes app in your phone and write down who you want to be healthy for. Is it your spouse, your children, your grandkids, your family, your community, or maybe it is just finally you? Write the reason down that you want to be healthy. Do you want more energy? You want to take your health seriously? This is going to be your why, and your why matters because when things get hard, and they will, sometimes they'll get super hard, you need to have something stronger than your willpower. You need to have a reason. For me, my why was my husband. The reason I went vegan was to support my husband after he was diagnosed with cancer. I wanted to stand beside him. I wanted to help him. I wanted us to make better choices together. And that was my why. So today, I want you to write down your why, because when you remember that this is a journey that's just much bigger than food. Step number 2, you cannot do this alone, and you are not meant to do this alone. So find one person that you can trust. It could be a friend, a spouse, a daughter, a son, a sister, a church member, a neighbor, just one person. That's all you need. And you tell them this: I'm making a change and I need you to support me. That's it. You don't need them to eat the same food that you eat. You don't need them to understand everything right now. You don't even need them to do it with you, actually. You just need them to support you. You need someone who will not laugh at your choices, someone who will not sabotage you, someone who will encourage you when you are trying. Because the truth is, changing your diet can feel emotional, especially when food is connected to family, memories, comfort, and habits. So find one ally, one safe person, one person who can say, I'm proud of you for trying. Step number 3, schedule your learning time. Now, this step is very important. I do not want you to spend the whole night on the internet being overwhelmed. Do not watch 50 videos. Do not read 20 articles. Do not scare yourself with too much information. Instead, I want you to schedule 30 minutes on your calendar tomorrow, just 30 minutes. These 30 minutes are not to cook, not to do a meal prep, not to be perfect, just to learn. During those 30 minutes, watch one helpful video or read one health-related article or learn one plant-based meal. That's it. You are giving yourself permission to learn without the pressure of changing everything overnight, because you do not have to become perfect by tomorrow. You just have to become willing to learn, willing to try, willing to take the next step. So let's review. Your first step is to write down your why. Your second step is to find one ally. Your third step is to schedule your learning time. That's it. Your why, your ally, your learning time. Once you have those three things done, you will be ready for the next step. And the next step is the food itself. And I have made that part even easier for you. I've created a 7-day meal plan to help take the guesswork out of getting started. It is linked below, but even more importantly, I've created a free community full of people who are on the same exact journey as you. It is a safe place to ask questions, a place where you do not have to feel embarrassed, a place where you can learn without judgment, a place where you can take small steps and still be celebrated. The link to join the community is going to be down below. It's the very first one in the description box. Come join us because you are not alone in this. You do not have to figure it all out today. You just need to take your first step. And I'll see you in the next video because we want you to nourish, thrive, and be healthy. Bye for now.